Anytime now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Smart and Noble draws for your lead. Hot Gossip moving up in between runners. Bilateral Strike Force Newsmaker moving up to take the lead. Then running by the rail, Duma, Dagundong together with Banay Banay. Bonjour comes next, followed by Bliss. Then comes Saga, Magic Machine, and Butcherer is running at the tail of the field as they race towards the last 600. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Running by the rail is Newsmaker. Then running alongside is Bison Chairman. Bison Chairman from the outside. Newsmaker by the rail. Banay Banay racing in third, down in fourth, the Force. Bonjour now racing in fifth by the rail. Duma, Dagundong as they turn for home. Newsmaker moving up in between runners is the Force. Banay Banay, Bonjour, Duma, Dagundong also closing in, and down the stretch they come. The Force leading the field, moving up by the rail. Bonjour, the Force, Bonjour fighting back. Newsmaker, the Force, Bonjour, then comes Smart and Noble, Duma, Dagundong, Saga.